Howdy guys, welcome back to the channel. As part of our planning for our preparations for our big lap, we are preparing our van. Now what we're doing in this video is we're going to be installing an inverter as part of our battery system. So you can see these are the two batteries we have, and this was the way it was when we purchased it. The wiring's a bit messy. He's a bit of an auto electrician, so he doesn't like messy wiring. So he's going to tidy it up and he's going to install the inverter. So we went out today and we purchased one, which is this one here, the Powertech brand. It's quite a strong powered one. It was the same price as the lower power, so we thought while it's on special we'll just grab the higher one. Better to have more than less. Well, more than not enough. So 1500 watt sine wave inverter. It has a remote, 30 amp solar regulator, if I'm reading all this correctly. So within the box we have the inverter itself. So you can see that on the side there. It to me looks super complicated, but I can cook a great roast chicken, not do anything wiring wise. Okay, so there's the inverter. Then it came with this data cable. The gentleman at the store told us that we can actually get a longer one if we need to. I think he said it's just a standard Ethernet cable. It just looks kind of like, there we go, just looks like that. Same on both ends, but we think at this stage it'll be long enough. Then we have this other two wires that go to the Anderson style plug. Oh, it's just so blurry. There we are, sort of. Okay, then this little thing here, what's this one?
Just a remote screen.
It's a remote screen. I'm sure he'll know what to do with it. And then the battery cable, it's like thick battery cable. Now it's worth saying that when we were in the store, the store manager opened the box to have a look for the cable, this there, data cable, and found that the screen on this remote was actually smashed. So because we live so far away from the stores, we're quite remote, it's worth checking everything in the box, or otherwise you'll be spending all day travelling back to swap it over. So he's also, while doing this, he is going to be installing this. What is this one?
It's just a fuse box.
It's a fuse box. Okay, I'm sure he'll know what to do with it. Up to 30 amp per output. Anyway, so yeah, he's going to install that at the same time and neaten everything up. Hopefully simplify and get us camping off grid a bit more, hopefully. We've already got solar panels. We have 2 portable and we have 1 on the roof, but we will be adding more to the roof before we head out on our big lap. So as he said, it's going to be quite a decent sized job. So as he does each step by step, we will just video as we go along, and then when it's all done we will post it and you can have a look. Alright, so there we go. Good luck, sir. Your time starts now. so you can see the battery boxes and batteries have been taken out. The wiring's been either undone or put to the side while he's done that. He's also put on the fuse box and the whatever that is. So they're now installed on there with their screws, and this is all under the bed as well. Okay. So we're at the next stage now where the wires have been connected into the fuse box, and that one there as well, and they're connected to the circuit breaker. Circuit breaker. Now he's also, if we can just see, there we go. So he's installed the inverter as well, and we found because it's so heavy that what he's had to do is put a couple of support blocks of wood on the back side of the bed frame wall where it is sitting, just for a bit of extra support. Okay, so what's left now?
Put battery boxes in, batteries in, and the main battery leads.
Okay, so not much left to go. Still, it's taken a little while, but it's certainly going to be a lot nicer in here, that's for sure. So we've got the fuses in there now. Much better. Okay, well, we'll keep chipping away at the job, but should be done soon enough. Alright, there we are, guys. So he's just connected up the new battery leads, and it's all wired up, all connected together. Yeah, and you can see it's there now at the front, at the foot end of the bed, and it's all ready to roll. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. You can like and subscribe to the channel, and you can head over to our Facebook and Instagram at The Big Lap on a Budget, and we can all have a chat over there and get some advice from other travellers, and yeah, hope to get your planning underway as we are with ours. Alrighty guys, happy days, safe travels, see you later.